So what's new? The US CPI figures are in and they came in lower than expected and the market pumped. But that was on the back of a red day or two following the collapse of FTX, a centralized exchange. So the market gives with one hand and takes with the other. It's time for an update. Hi guys, this is FD for Sage5.tv once more back with another video. And like I said, it's time to review the performance of our 15k to 600k portfolio challenge that we do on a weekly basis. Now, great wealth is created when there is blood on the streets, even if some of that blood is yours. What a call. But what can you do with it? Here's what we've been doing with our 15k to 600k portfolio during these nightmarish times. So our 15k to 600k portfolio is about 6 ecosystems, with each having a budget of $2,500 to be invested. I must add, we haven't invested the whole 15k yet. We're doing it slowly or gradually. So with each ecosystem, you have a budget of $2,500 to be invested in a selection of projects that we'll have chosen carefully, and we'll apply our DYOR risk evaluation as part of that process. So we're going to start with Ethereum, the Ethereum ecosystem, of course. Ethereum blockchain, so far we have invested a total of $211.06, which we have invested in VulcanForged. No change to our original position there. If you want to know more or you require more information on VulcanForged, please see our deep dive into VulcanForged via the links in the description to one of the videos we did. It was the DYOR risk evaluation video that we released about a month ago now. In that video, we also covered what VulcanForged is. You will also find other useful links to additional resources on VulcanForged. Now on to some price movement. Entry price was $3.99. Last week's price was $4.53. Portfolio value last week was $239.01. This week's price is $3.33. Week on week price change is minus 26% down, of course, based on what's going on. Portfolio value this week is $175.60. Overall VulcanForged position, we are down $35.62 or 16.89%. As far as we're concerned, the fundamentals have not changed on VulcanForged, and we hope to add more PYOR tokens in due course. Please do share your thoughts on VulcanForged with us if you've got any opinion on it, or if you are invested in VulcanForged. Next, we move on to Dotsama ecosystem, which consists of Polkadot network and Kusama network, the two sister ecosystems or networks. And we've invested in the two metaverse projects in Bit.country and RMRK to the tune of $721.33 in total. Let's start with Bit.country Pioneer and its NEER token. Bit.country Pioneer is a metaverse project where anyone can create a metaverse project in record time. Last week's price was 33.5 cents. Portfolio value last week was $269.37. This week's price is sitting at just over 30 cents. Week on week percentage change minus 10.27% decrease. We are down 10.27%. Portfolio value this week is sitting at $241.72. Overall, the NEER position, we are slightly down 0.27%. So considering what has happened this week with FTX collapsing, this has got to be one of the most resilient projects price-wise. What are your thoughts, guys? Let us know down below. Also down there, if you're not subscribed, guys, please click like and subscribe as well as smash that notification bell. Now, as far as RMRK is concerned, another metaverse project we've invested in as part of our Dotsama ecosystem investments, we have added to our position once again, now with an average entry price of $2.32, so we entered at a slightly higher price compared to the $2.24 previously. And we now have acquired a total of 206.77 units, an increase of 38% to our original position. Our cost base now stands at $478.88. Last week's price was sitting at $2.87. Portfolio value last week was $430.68. This week's price is sitting at $2.54, which is an 11.5% decrease from last week's price. Portfolio value this week is sitting at $525.40. Overall, RMRK position performance, we are up $46.40 or 9.69%. If you want to know more about RMRK, then please follow the links in the description. Next up is AADAFinance, a borrowing and lending protocol on the Cardano blockchain, where we have invested a total of $173.69. And the price for AADAFinance continues to dump. And this got to be the worst position within our 15k to 600k portfolio challenge. Last week's price was almost 40 cents. Portfolio value last week was $64.51. This week's price is sitting at 30.7 cents. Week on week, the price has changed by 22.9% down. So we are down 22.9%, which is huge for a project that was already bleeding badly. Portfolio value this week is sitting at $49.72. Overall, the AADAFinance position performance is down a massive $124.01 or 71.4%, which is huge. Once again, as you can see, AADAFinance continue to be the worst position within our 15k to 600k portfolio challenge, and there are no signs of that reversing anytime soon. What does everyone think? This is going to zero, but we knew when we went in. It's a risk, it's a gamble. Next up is Akash, a Cosmos ecosystem blockchain project that we recently opened a position on as part of our 15k to 600k portfolio challenge. No addition to our original Akash positions yet, yet, so we maintain our original position here. So how is Akash network and its Akash token doing this week? Our average buying price remains 24.97 cents, and we initially purchased 464.91 units at a total cost of $115.86. Last week's price was sitting at 29.28 cents. Portfolio value last week was sitting at $135.84. This week's price is sitting at 24.61 cents. Week on week percentage change is minus 16%. Like everything else, it's down 16%. Portfolio value this week is sitting at $114.19. Overall portfolio performance, we are down $2.09 or 1.8% down, which shows some strength. If you look around, some projects are down massive numbers, massive figures we're talking about. We've also opened a new position in a new ecosystem in NEARProtocol. NEARProtocol, a community-run cloud computing platform that eliminates some of the limitations that have been bogging competing blockchains such as low transaction fees, low throughput, and poor interoperability. For more on NEARProtocol, please see a link to some of the videos we've published when we last covered NEARProtocol, including a DYOR risk evaluation video in the description. Check down below. Also down there, guys, don't forget to click like and subscribe as well as smash that notification bell. So our average buying price was $3.32, and we initially purchased 56 at a total cost of $187.99. As you can see, we made our purchase before the collapse of FTX that we did not see coming. So last week's price is the same as our enterprise, which is $3.32. Our portfolio value last week was $187.99. This figure also will include the transaction charges or transaction fees or trading fees, put it that way. Week on week percentage change, we are down a massive 33.06%. Like I said, we went in just before the FTX collapse. We didn't see that coming. But in the grand scheme of things, this 33% is not a massive percentage drop. If you can lose 33% in one day, you can also make up ridiculous percentages within a similar time frame. Anyway, that is just my own opinion. Overall performance of our NEAR position, we are down $62.01 or 33.06%. As you can tell, like I've already highlighted, our position was open prior to the FTX collapse. The NEAR price movement is a clear sign of what transpired afterwards. NEAR is still a solid layer 1 project with a growing ecosystem. Early days yet still, but I do believe this one is going to be a strong pick and is going to come back strongly. What does everyone think? Please let us know down below in the comment section. We have recently looked into Kujira, another Cosmos ecosystem project, and we are yet to establish an opening position. A new video is now live. The link is in the description. We are yet to open positions in the Ergo blockchain or in the Ergo ecosystem, and there is currently some ongoing research work on a few projects from the Ergo blockchain that we'll be diving into very soon. So watch the space. They are almost here. So overall, the 15K to 600K portfolio challenge has seen a total of $1,399.17 invested, and our current overall portfolio value is $1,239.20. So we are $159.97 in the red thanks to the recent collapse of FTX, which has affected the whole crypto market. Overall, we are down 11.4%. So far, 5 out of the 6 picks appear to be relatively strong within our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge, and we are prepared to hold position for the foreseeable future, well into the next bull run. And no, we are not folding yet. We are here for the long haul. Question for you guys. So how are you navigating the latest crypto crash? How much has this impacted your portfolio? Which of the 6 tokens we hold so far as part of our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge do you hold? And of the 6, which one do you think will outperform the rest? Maybe it will be more than 1 or 2 or 3. What are your thoughts? Comment down below, guys, and let us know. Until next time, guys, this was your latest update on our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge. Until next time, bye for now.